Welcome to Able Chiropractic. Thank you for coming in and your interest in shockwave. Shockwave is a therapy that uses sound waves. If you can imagine a fighter jet that goes through the sound barrier, there's a sonic boom, this huge amount of energy that's released. And that is what these tools harness. They harness the energy of sound that will penetrate deep into your tissues and help them heal significantly better. If you go to the gym, no pain, no gain, right? You go to the gym, you lift weights, you're breaking up your muscle, and then on the next day, there's recovery from that. And it's the recovery that actually does the healing. With Soundwave, what we found, or the research states, is that there's somewhere between a 5 and 10 times stronger healing force from breaking it up with Soundwave. And we've seen some just incredible results. So, I have two machines here. I've got a focus machine and a radial machine. I'm one of the only clinics in the US that is using both because they treat different tissues at different depths. And if you want to get the best results, you have to have the best technology. So this one, the focus, has an applicator head that's bigger. So for knees and for shoulders, for low back, for SIs, this one's been really, really effective. And in some cases, more superficial, like tennis elbow or plantar fasciitis, this one may be the better one. This is the radial one where we use the applicator like this. So I'm super excited that you're trying out the Shockwave. It's been so far just really incredible. And when we add it to the other technology that we have laser, we have PEMF, we do vagal nerve stimulation, we do red light therapy. Commonly they call it the superhuman protocol. That's the important part. Your results and our reputation work hand in hand to help you get out of pain and get healthy. So thanks for coming in. I'm excited to teach you about it and get you treated.